It's 3:46 a.m. Let's double check. It's 3:47 and we're about to take a plane. Today we're moving. We're going to Boracay, La Isla. Let me just give you a quick tour of the studio that I rented here in Manila. So as you can see in here we have a small kitchenette, really nice, precise. Here are my luggages. In here we've got the bed, a small side table, TV, working space, a small closet. Let me double check if I left anything. No. And in here is the bathroom. Really nice and functional, perfect for one person. Well, now we need to move forward. We just need to go downstairs, check out, get our deposit back, and then go to the airport. I'm really tired. It's really unusual this hour. However, this ticket was the cheapest one that I could find to move forward to Boracay. Terminal 4 here. Right, so our lift is here. Right, this is the first time I'm seeing a lift with no mirror in it.
Give me the key and I will check your room first.
So the guy needs to check the room. We're right in time. Now I need to go inside. Departures. And I believe it's this way. Now I need to check in the back. The only issue is that I know already I've got 3 kilos more than my allowance. And hopefully this won't be a problem, or at least hopefully this won't cost me a fortune. Here we go, Terminal 4. One of the ugliest terminals that I've ever seen. I thought that the airports in Romania were bad. Well, definitely this is not practical. 2 long queues only to check your baggage to get inside the airport. We made it through the gates, we made it through security, we did everything. We also had to pay 200 extra pesos because I had 2 kilos excess. Wow, look at that. This is the waiting hall here. Wow, I haven't seen a waiting hall like this one. Thank you. Look at that sunrise. What beauty. Thank you. Good morning. Right, so I've got the 14D, which means exit seats, extra leg space. Look at that. We've got so much leg room. And imagine I even didn't purchase this ticket. I didn't purchase this seat. It was offered to me upon checking my bag, free of charge. I'm really grateful to the lady that offered me the ticket. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. Look at that. We landed. Right. And this is the beast that got us here. Well, the reason why I'm wearing the hoodie is because in a plane it's freezing. The air conditioner is blasted on you. Anyway, this is the airport. Look at that. Baggage claim. Where? Oh, here I guess. Perfect. In the meanwhile, have a look at that. What a beauty. The ocean in the distance. That's cool. Happy days. We got our thingy. Now Let's get one of these to go to the port. Hi there.
How many person?
Me, alone. Thank you so much. Over here? Perfect. So, this is the airport. What a beauty. And now we need to walk outside the airport to get our tricycle. And the tricycle will get us to the port. What a beautiful day. Wow. Although it's a bit cloudy there, it's still a beautiful day. I am really excited, looking forward to get to Boracay finally. A dream come true. Look at that. Hey, good morning, how are you? Oh, hi there. Yeah, just me.
Okay.
Amazing. Are you alone?
Well, because if you go by yourself, it's 100, but if
Oh.
you wait for someone else,
Oh, that's great. Perfect, yeah. So 50. $1 to get a tricycle to the port. That's a bargain. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Canada, wow.
But I live in the Philippines.
You live here?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
So I live in Manila.
Right, so we arrived at the port. That's great. Now we need to purchase a ticket. We need to fill up a registration form.
For the Arabic. Fill up this one. Ay, not this one. Ne, pangayakot arrival form na isa ne.
Now that we have filled up this form, we need to get inside and verify the information provided. Wow, what an annoying procedure. But I guess we have to go through it if we want to visit the island. Let's go through. Registration and verification counter. So after going through this registration and verification counter, then we need to move forward to the ticketing booth, where we'll be purchasing the ferry boat ticket. We're gonna pay the environmental fee, and then we're moving forward finally to the island. Cannot wait. All these checkpoints are annoying and slow because a lot of paperwork is involved. Look at this terminal. Wow, so I pay the boat ticket here, and here I have to pay the environmental fee, 300. Well, it's okay. So boat ticket, environmental fee, and terminal fee. Bloody hell, they couldn't do a ticket for everything? Guests. Please fall in line. Hello. Here we go.
Now, just fill it out, sir. Just write your name there. Then give it to them.
There, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello.
Your ticket, sir.
Thank you so much.
Seat number, sir.
Seat number 36.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Right, so I've got the... Hello? I've got the ticket number 36. This one? Yes. Thank you.
No. I see your seat number. Skyna.
This one? Thank you. I made it. Here is the boat. And I believe that one is the island. I'm just slightly tired because I woke up at 3 a.m. in order to catch this plane at 6:15. Oh, look at that. So we need to climb that ladder in order to get to the pier. And we made it. We climbed the ladder and we are officially in Boracay. Look at that. What a beauty. What a beauty. I still need to understand how to get to the hotel. I believe we will have some buses or tricycle taking us to the hotel. I don't know, let's see. That's absolutely cool. Happy days, and we're off. I managed to get this collective bus going to the main road, dropping me out at a specific point when then I will be walking to the hotel. From my understanding, this ride will cost me roughly 30 to 40 pesos. Let's see how it's gonna be. So far so good. Unfortunately, due to my luck, it's bloody raining. What a situation. And my luggage, it seems like it's broken. Right, so now that we fixed the luggage, it's time for me to tell you how much I paid the ride. So the ride was only 30 pesos. I've seen the locals paying 25, but the guy asked me 30. No big difference. So I gave him 30. And my place is roughly 5 minutes walking straight that way. Let's see. I really hope, please, God, I don't want to stay in the hotel because it's raining outside. I'm in a paradise, therefore I wanna live up to the expectation that I have. Here is the place, the one and only Cool Stay Inn. So I left the luggage. Unfortunately I couldn't check in now, but anyway, hopefully this video helped you to understand which are the requirements to get into the island, which is basically, to make it really short, is the reservation, hotel reservation, vaccine and passport, and of course the plane ticket to come here, but nothing more. The taxes that you need to pay upon arrival are 50 pesos for the boat, 150 for the terminal, and 300 if you are a foreigner for the environmental tax, which honestly I don't understand why you have to pay that if the situation looks like that everywhere. But anyway, besides my personal ideas, thank you for watching this video. See you next time.